What's up, YouTube? I guess this is gonna be my first video on my car. So, as you can see, I currently drive a 2018 Kia Stinger GT2. I got this about a year ago and I have not done any mods on it. As you can see, it's been debadged to get the Korean Stinger badge, as well as I just have like a few of my anime stickers. Shout out Dana Senpai. And then just debadged in the back with a single stinger. I guess the first other cosmetic mod I'll be doing today are for the mirrors. So I got these mirror visors from Aerowolf. I know they're not specific, like they're not supposed to, they're made to fit Ganador's JDM mirrors, but we'll see how they fit today on this car. I'll get a heat gun to mold it, but first we gotta wash this car because it's really dirty. Y'all can't really tell that well, but I have not washed this in about a month. But yeah, let's get to washing. First of all, I gotta show you this jank ass setup I did for the hose. There's no water outlet in the back, so I gotta literally route this from the washroom. Cold water line. I hope this doesn't cause any issues, but this is the best I can do for now. I just came back with mosquito spray. I could not even start without getting bit. I probably got bit 10 times on my legs already. Well, let's get back to it. Yeah, so my camera died mid-wash, but I just finished washing the car. Yeah, we finished the wash. So, now we can go install the mirror visors. Let's go. Yeah, so ideally how they fit is they'd be, oh, wrong side. They'd essentially fit like this. But, as you can see, we kind of need to mold it a little. It's not the right shape of the mirror. So we're gonna have to put a heat gun to this, but it's gonna make it look sick. Dang, it's a little dark now. Let's get some light in here. Much better. Alright, because they don't, the mirror visors don't fit that well, because they're not meant for Kia Stinger mirrors, obviously. We'll have to use a heat gun to let it flex a little and mold it into place. I don't think this cord's gonna be long enough, but like luckily there's an outlet on each side of the garage. So let's get to it. Oh wow, this barely reaches. I think the only issue here that kind of looks off right there, you know how it dangles? It's gonna be hard to fix because the part of the stinger, this part of the stinger is just a little bit too curvy. So I can bring the heat gun more, but I don't want to make this start looking distorted. So I gotta gently heat this. Alright, how do we do? It looks way better when I pushed it out a little. I guess I kind of see the glue still. And there's only a little bit of an issue at the end, but it's because this is a little bit curved, so there's no place for it to stick. But I'd say this job well done. Looks sick. Let's get another profile of it. Sick Aerowolf logo. And when I close it, it stays in place. It's kind of sick. Alright, let's finish with the other side real quick. Alright, so the left one took longer than I thought, but we're finally done, and I guess it's time for some B-roll. There's not that much sunlight left, so let's see what we can get. Guys, that's gonna be it for the video. This is gonna be the first video on my car, probably on my channel as well. But let me know what you guys want for more content. There's probably more mods to come soon. Probably not rapidly, but it's whatever. But please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you.